Hey you guys, welcome to yet another video, and in this one we are going to do something special. We are going to prepare a meal for two humans and one cat. Yes, if you didn't watch the last video, I showed you the video of Zara, the kitty we adopted, and in this video I'm going to prepare a very nice meal. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen right now. I'm in the kitchen and let's see what we are going to prepare. So stay hydrated, by the way, water is life, and I'm going to prepare a meal of healthy chicken, beans, and these bad boys. Let me know what these are called in the comment section, but I like these boys. Some people call them sour tomatoes, others call them eggplant, but let me know how you call them. But these are going to be in the bin, so I can't wait to show you guys what we are going to get into. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking. It's the festive season, so I hope you guys are getting ready for that. But let us jump into the video. We are going to use an air fryer. It is around here. We are going to use the stove. The beans are already going off, and I'm going to cut these bad boys. I'll see you when we are getting ready. To start off this amazing meal, we are going to prepare our chicken. As you can see, the beans are already going off the stove. So we are going to prepare the chicken and put it in this air fryer. There is something I want to talk about. It is going to be raw chicken. It's not raw, actually. I'm not going to add spices because of the third little kitty we have. So we shall just make this as it is in order for it to stay as healthy as it can be. So after getting this ready, make sure you take it for a good wash, a good clean. I'm going to clean it really well. I hope everyone out there is having a good time, a good day, a good whatever whenever you're watching this. But we are going to clean our chicken and then we shall put it in the air fryer. You know, it comes clean, but to be on a safer side, you need to clean it again yourself. So that is what I'm doing right now. Yeah, cleaning the chicken. I keep reminding you that we are preparing a meal for three, which is me, my wife, and Zara, the kitty. Those of you that have been watching the videos, you know what's going on. So when the chicken is ready and washed, you get it ready for the air fryer. Yes, so these are the beans cooking. They are boiling right now, boiling hot on the stove. Then we have these are the boiled beans with the eggplants. Then we are getting ready with our tomato. This is tomatoes and onions. The ingredients, this looks amazing. This looks really good. So this is the step we are taking now. Now the next step is cutting up the carrots, cutting the green peppers, and we are going to put them into this pot right here with tomatoes and onions. Then we shall add the beans after. The steps are coming together. This meal is going to be amazing. Later on we shall make our rice. We shall eat it with rice. The chicken is in the air fryer. The beans are getting ready. I'm getting hungry. I didn't tell you guys, but when I'm not teaching and working my other jobs or YouTubing, I'm in the kitchen cooking. I'm in the kitchen cooking and Zara is down here. I hope you know. She's fine. But we shall add our carrots and then we shall put all the other ingredients in. As you can see, I'm a good chef. Thank you guys for watching this video and all the other videos. But cooking is a nice thing. I think people should take it up. It is really good to be in the kitchen and do all these things. I'm just making a special delicacy. I'll not say that the recipes from my great grandmother. No. This is my own. We are going to add our salt. Just make sure it's enough. You know, we people from Africa know when the salt is enough. We don't have to measure, bring a measuring cup or what. No. Our mothers taught us to measure really well. Then we shall add. You know, whatever spices you have, this is the time. Garlic. Yeah, this is the garlic. And then it's time to put our beans back. I can't thank you enough for joining me on this cooking journey. This meal is chicken, rice, and beans with some eggplant. So the chicken is ready and we are going to apply some little oil just to grease it. And then we shall turn it, flip, you know the flip. Or even if it has its own oil, we shall apply just to grease it a little bit, all right? Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it looks good. Looks really, really good. But this is how they make a meal. So this is before I flip it. I guess you can see it. It is amazing. Then I'll get this and flip. Alright guys, our food is ready. Let me bring you through. That was a long time actually. So these are the beans, this is the rice, and we have the chicken in here, right? Look at that. Oh my goodness. We are ready to serve. But the main ingredient is these beans. These are really good. I don't know if you've tasted such beans, but if I open up a restaurant, be ready to support, right? But these are the beans with the small eggplants. Very, very healthy. And we are going to serve our meal. I'm going to bring you back when the plate is on, when it is on the plate. All right, guys, we shall, just a moment. it is time for serving this meal. I hope you can see me, but it is time. Tell me if this is not the best meal you've seen in your life. This is our food, and this is the one